What's going on, guys? I'm Jacob. This is Native Son Wood Art, and today I'm going to be doing a video for you that's a little different than what I normally do. Today I'm going to be telling you my top 5 woodworking tools for beginners. These are my personal picks for this list, and in no way should be considered definitive or the absolute must-haves. And with that being said, let's get started. My first pick for this list is a saw. Now there are many kinds of saws out there, from coping saws to pole saws to Western style hand saws. But no matter what you choose, you're still going to need some way to cut down the wood you're using to the proper length and shape for the project that you're working on. Second on my list is a drill. Now I use mostly hand tools on my channel, but the one power tool that I absolutely couldn't live without is a drill. A drill is obviously used to drill holes, but what's great about a power drill is the number of interchangeable attachments that it can be used with it. The one that I used came with spade bits, drill bits, and hole saws that I can use on a number of different projects, and thus gives this tool great versatility for woodworking. My third choice for this list is a hand plane. Now you might be wondering, what is a hand plane? And why do you think I need one as a beginner? Well, a hand plane is a hand tool with a chiseled blade on it that's used to shape wood. It can be used to create beveled edges and cut wood to a smooth, level surface. The one I most frequently use is this Japanese hand plane that's used to pull towards you, where Western styles are meant to push. I find it very useful for creating clean, straight edges that I find to be essential in making wooden swords that I like to make. Number 4 on this list are clamps. Clamps are essential to woodworking. They're used to clamp stuff. Clamps, put simply, are used to secure objects together. I use them for securing wood to my workbench so that I can cut it safely and accurately, as well as clamping 2 pieces of wood together that need to be glued into a solid piece. Clamps come in a variety of sizes and styles. No one should ever be without an assortment. Last but not least, the final tool on my list is sandpaper. Now, no matter what project you're working on, be it a table, a chair, a baseball bat, or a wooden sword, a cutting board, what have you, everything comes down to that final sanding. Sandpaper is produced in a variety of grit sizes, all the way from 40 grit all the way up to several thousand grit. And it is used to remove a coarse, medium to very fine layer of material from the wood that you're working on, to reveal the hard work that you put into your project. Now, it may be the most tedious task that you do in your project, but no matter what, it is also the most important. There you have it, my top 5 woodworking tools for beginners. I hope you guys liked this video and learned something from it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below telling me some of your favorite tools you like to use for your projects. That's all for today. Be sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time here at Native Son Wood Art.